And away from education to health matters, now the health workers' strike entered its second day with devastating effect as 2 patients succumbed at Baringo County Referral Hospital as the medics kept off work. This comes as the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers called off their countrywide strike, citing talks had begun. Let's take a look.
The far-reaching effects of the medic strike were felt Friday as 2 people succumbed to their ailments in Baringo County. The diseases include a middle-aged man who had been put under oxygen and needed 24-hour observation, but due to his deteriorating health condition and lack of medics, he succumbed Thursday evening, while a 4-year-old has also died after the medics commenced their strike, which had so far paralyzed health services in the entire county.
Kufika kitu kama saa 9 wakaambiwa, mimi nasikia tu anaambiwa peleka ya kwa CT scanning. CT scanning uko chini. Alafu sasa wakakuja kupeleka, wakatoa hiyo oxygen. Alafu wakatoa hiyo kitu ya kupelekea mtu, wakapeleka huko chini. Kufika huko chini, mimi nikakaa hapo hivi kitu kama 20-30 minutes. Akaletwa tena akakuja kwa kitanda. Sasa tukakaa kitu kama 20 minutes. Huyo mtu akaaga dunia.
Some of the patients have now resorted to seek treatment elsewhere.
Kuna mgonjwa mwenye angefaa ashonwe mguu leo but hajashonwa. So sai tunatafuta means ya kumchukua hospitali nyingine kwa usaidizi.
Kwa sai itabidi tumetoa pesa mingi kukaramia mgonjwa kwa sababu hii mguu haiwezi kaa siku 2 itaharibika. Sasa itabidi tumetoa pesa mingi kufanya nini? Kutransport mgonjwa mpaka Masi.
The health workers down their tools on Wednesday demanding for promotions, redesignation, confirmation and provision of PPEs. Meanwhile, Trans Nzoia County Health Services are in jeopardy following an industrial action by health workers at the County Isolation and Treatment Unit. This is after more than 40 healthcare workers stationed at the Mount Elgon COVID-19 Isolation Center in Trans Nzoia County down their toll, citing the county government had failed to address their welfare concerns. The facility, which has 5 COVID-19 positive cases, has been left deserted and patients stranded with no health service providers.
JIC, which is a basic item for cleaning surfaces, has not been available. So we assume that even as we stand here, we stand exposed because the county has not been able to buy JIC even for this isolation center.
While in Kiambu County, Kenya Union of Clinical Officers has threatened to go on strike come next week if the county government of Kiambu does not pay them their August salaries.
Failure by the management to pay the August 2020 salaries severely distresses the employees of the county government of Kiambu. These delays of this nature make us as workers to undergo untold suffering as they are unable to meet their basic needs. We have established that the county Kiambu government had sufficient funds to cater.
Led by the Union Secretary General, they further issued a 3-day ultimatum, failure to which all clinical staff will down their tools. This comes as the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers suspended their strike, citing negotiations that began with the Ministry of Labour and Social Protection to address issues raised by the medics.